B12 is a landing page software that promises to help you build beautiful, high-converting pages quickly. But is it the right choice for you? In this video, we're diving into 12 things you need to know before buying, especially when comparing it to other options out there. Stick around, and we'll help you decide if B12 is the best choice for your needs. First off, B12 is an all-in-one solution for building landing pages, websites, and more. Unlike competitors like Wix or WordPress, it's powered by AI, which promises faster setups and smarter design recommendations. But while that sounds great, it might not always be as customizable as you'd like, especially when compared to fully hands-on platforms like Squarespace. Next thing, B12's design automation is pretty impressive. It uses AI to create designs based on your brand, which is a huge time saver. However, it's not as flexible as something like Elementor or Webflow if you want to dive deep into custom coding or fine-tuning every single element. It's perfect for those who want ease over complete control. The third thing to know is how much support you'll actually get. B12 offers a decent support system with live chat and email responses, but it's not as responsive or extensive as what you might get with a platform like Shopify. If you're building a landing page for a complex business, you might find the level of assistance a bit limiting at times. Moving on, the fourth thing, integrations. B12 integrates with several popular tools like Google Analytics, MailChimp, and Zapier, which is great. But if you rely heavily on advanced CRM tools or niche apps, you might find that B12's integrations are more basic compared to a platform like Leadpages, which offers deeper connections with business tools. Next thing, let's talk pricing. B12 offers a free trial, but after that, their pricing starts a bit higher than some competitors. While platforms like Wix offer more affordable plans with basic functionality, B12's pricing reflects the use of AI and automated features. It's a higher price point, but if those features are crucial for you, it might be worth it. The sixth thing to consider is ease of use. B12 is user-friendly and doesn't require coding knowledge, which makes it great for beginners. It's an easier option than something like WordPress, where you'll likely need a bit more technical skill. But again, if you want total creative control, a more manual tool might be better. Next, B12's templates are clean and modern, but there's a smaller selection compared to competitors like Unbounce or Instapage. If you're looking for a wider variety of pre-built layouts, those platforms might give you more options to play with. However, B12's AI-driven recommendations can still help you create something unique without the hassle. The big thing is the mobile responsiveness of your pages. B12 does a solid job here, ensuring that the pages look great on any device. While tools like Squarespace have slightly more polished mobile options, B12 is on par with the competition in terms of responsiveness. The ninth thing to know, SEO tools. B12 provides basic SEO functionality to help your pages rank better on Google, but it's not as advanced as tools like WordPress, which offers a range of powerful SEO plugins. If you need full control over your SEO settings, you might want to look elsewhere. The 10th thing is the analytics and reporting. B12 offers basic insights into how your pages are performing, but it's nothing compared to what you get with tools like HubSpot or Google Analytics. If detailed, in-depth analysis is essential for your business, you might feel limited. Next, B12's AI-driven content writing feature is a standout. It can generate text for your landing pages based on your inputs, saving you a lot of time. However, it's not perfect. You'll still need to tweak and optimize the copy, unlike platforms like Copied AI that specialize in content creation. The 12th thing is the scalability. B12 is a solid choice for small businesses or entrepreneurs, but if your business grows significantly and you need more complex features or a fully custom solution, you may find it less adaptable than more robust platforms like Webflow or WordPress. So, should you choose B12 for your landing page needs? It's a solid option, especially if you want an easy-to-use, AI-driven solution with a modern design. But if you're looking for more advanced customization, deeper integrations, or lower pricing, there might be better alternatives. If you're still on the fence, check out our recommended solution, one that offers a better mix of features and flexibility. And the best part? You can try it for free.